So I've got this Maxamet knife sharpened up on the CBN stones again, and now I'm going to kill the edge and do another sharpening on my silicon carbide. Now I'm going to spare you guys the full sharpening video and just come back after the results are ready. I got the edge finished up, sharpened on silicon carbide up to 2500 grit, stropped on 2 micron CBN emulsion. That's 89. $167. And 141. Well, I went to pull the thread out and I am all out. My thread is empty, so we got to rely on the clips now. This creates a whole new can of worms. At least using the clips is much quicker. $137. And 124. So test 1 on the thread produced 132. Test 2, which I ran out of thread and had to use the clips, produced 154. I did multiply the 1.2 to get the true best number, as they say you must do, and then I averaged those numbers to come up with that. So I got 132, 154, and this is on silicon carbide. I guess I'm going to have to order some more thread, although I am reluctant to do so. I would rather use the clips, so I think I may just stick with those and completely phase out the thread altogether. They're easier to use and I don't have to worry about the tension being correct or incorrect. I just go with what's on there and use what the manufacturer provides. Anyway guys, I'll have the best chart at the end of this video as always, along with these results. If you have any questions or comments, leave them at the bottom. Appreciate you watching. Y'all have a good one.